Alright, what's up everybody? Today we got this here Crosley Conservator by Crosley. It's this electric dryer. It's got I don't know what's wrong with it. Got it yesterday, but we're gonna start tearing it down here. See what we can find out. I'm here alone again today. You'll have to bear with me on the camera work. I didn't post any videos last week. Gonna say it's already pretty loose. Take these out. Hopefully this week will be a lot better than last week. Pull this front off here. Let's see what we got. Looks like we have a little bit of lint there. A little bit of lint in there. Have some lint in there. I don't see anything wrong in there, so I'm just gonna shove the drum back on and flip it over. Okay, put the front back on here. Put the screws back in. Plug the connection. Door lock switch back in. Look at that. So they have this double screwed. This is always fun. So they have over here a big 5/16 and a quarter over here. When this side is actually supposed to go into a hole. If this is even, this might not even be the right backing plate for this. We'll see what happens here. So we gotta get our 5/16 back, which without my little extender, I have to actually pull the little guy on here to get these off. So one-handed is just even harder. Yeah, you see that? So this should go into here and then screw into that. Oh, look at that, they didn't hook the ground up either. That's super safe. So in your wall, this is likely connected to this. So luckily it never like reached over and touched right here. I don't see any arc marks. So what you guys are supposed to do is this green one needs to come up to here. Even this is loose on here. So we'll fix that. Might as well just fix it right now, I guess. Yeah, you don't want that touching that. Not fun things might happen. Not really sure, you know? Maybe it'd be alright. Maybe just blow the breaker. I don't know. That's what it should do, but you never know. I mean, I don't know. They did say that they had some sort of weird setup, so I'm not even sure what's going on. Pull this thing out here. See what it's like. This is what we typically see here. You want to pull this off and vacuum all that out. It'll help your airflow in there. It's not like fully blocked, but definitely all the airflow you can get, the better. There was the two big pieces I just sucked up. See how it's gray here and brown there? This is burned. That was charred. Look at this. This is one of those, like, they use these in suits or something, but it's black. So that was been hot at least. Okay, the heat coil is bad right off the bat. So is the, oh no, that's good. That one's good, that one's good. The high limit is good. So the heat coil is bad. Okay. It's right there. Broken right there. Doesn't look like it was touching anywhere. Wasn't touching the case. It's just totally broken right there. So it's probably our issue there. Wasn't touching the case in there. I did ground check it and it wasn't grounded out. So I'll order one of those and we'll come back to this machine. There you go. There's the diagnosis video. We'll order a new heat element and put it on, and that will be in another video on this Crosley unit here. So thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.